Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. Odisha government has put an alert on all districts with the cyclonic storm Jawad likely reaching the state on 4th December. Keeping this in mind, the state authorities have issued a guidelines and have kicked into the action to prevent too much damage. Fishermen have been asked not to venture into the sea from December 3 to 5, and National Disaster Response Force, Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force and Fire Department personnel have been asked to be ready. IMD has also issued a red, orange and yellow alert in some districts, predicting heavy to very heavy rainfall in the next few days. The weather office said that the low pressure area brewing over the South Andaman Sea and adjoining area will intensify into the depression and take the shape of a cyclonic storm around December 3. The system will move northwestwards and reach North Andhra Pradesh Odisha coast around December 4 morning. Though it is clear that the cyclonic storm will approach the Odisha coast, it is too immature to say where it will make the landfall and other details. However, under its impact, several coastal districts of Odisha will experience light to moderate rainfall from December 3. South Odisha districts may also experience heavy rainfall on December 3. The weather office said that the intensity of the rainfall in Odisha will increase from December 4, especially in the coastal districts, and interior districts will experience heavy to very heavy rainfall. Some parts of the coastal Odisha will experience extremely heavy rainfall during the period. Orange warnings, which indicates less intensity than the red warning, has been issued in Kendrapara, Cuttack, Khurda, Nayagad, Kandhamal, Rayagada and Koraput districts for December 4 after the cyclonic storm reaches near the coast. The sea conditions is likely to be very rough, with the squally wind speed reaching 45 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour on December 3. The wind speed is likely to reach 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour on December 4 morning, and advisory said. No immediate warning has been issued to the ports so far. Another rain-bearing system is set to impact the west coast of India. As per the latest forecast, a cyclonic circulation of the west of Maharashtra is likely to produce locally heavy rain of 50 mm across the state of Gujarat and Maharashtra on Thursday. Meanwhile, in North India, a fresh western disturbance is likely to bring rain or snow across the parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on Thursday. The next western disturbance is expected to impact these regions from the weekend to early next week. In terms of mercury levels, maximum temperatures are noted to be much too significantly below low across Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas on Thursday. Meanwhile, readings will rise to significantly above normal across western Himalayan regions and northeast India for several days. The minimum temperatures will be about to much above normal across the subcontinent for several days, with significantly warmer than average night for western Himalayan region and northeast India. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, please subscribe our channel.